Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pool booster pump that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Zodiac Polaris PB 4-60. Take a look at the Zodiac PB 4-60 Polaris booster pump if you are looking for the best pool booster to snugly attach to your Polaris pressure side pool cleaner. With 20 years of experience under its belt, the brand has redesigned its original Polaris PB 4-60 model to offer this fine-tuned replacement version. As most swimming pool owners may be aware, Polaris has been setting the benchmark for optimal pool cleaning equipment throughout its 20 years in the business. Needless to say, the new and improved Zodiac PB 4-60 Polaris booster pump continues the legacy of high performance delivered by the original model. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Hayward W36060. Hayward has been in the business for decades, and yet it has remained at the forefront of utilizing cutting-edge technology and providing modern solutions. In keeping up with modern pool pump designs on the market, the dimensions of each part have been planned well to make this unit a universal booster pump. In addition to helping you save a few $100s that would have gone into a new pump booster, this ENERGY STAR certified unit reduces total operating costs by a considerable margin. Despite its energy efficiency and low noise levels, the powerful 0.75 HP motor undoubtedly increases water flow rate and water circulation. At number 3, we have the Pentair LAO1N. With sustainability at the heart of Pentair's brand promise, the company has been pumping out innovative energy and water-efficient solutions. Their all-new and creative Legend Platinum Truck Series includes every tool you require for your pool cleaning needs. The Pentair LA01N Pool Booster Pump was designed specifically for the brand's Platinum Legend Truck Series and Legend Automatic Pool Cleaners. At the same time, it is one of the few single-speed universal booster pumps available on the market. Apart from being compatible with most pressure-side pool cleaners, the unit provides increased durability and efficiency to the setup. For starters, it is made using durable, corrosion-proof materials, complete with a polished black finish that exemplifies its ruggedness. At number 2, we have the A.O. Smith Century B625. This single-speed motor is compatible with a range of pool booster pump brands, including Arneson Pool Sweep and Polaris Pool Cleaners. However, to be on the safer side, you can check if the motor will fit by entering the model number, as per the website instructions. Alternatively, you may measure your pool booster to confirm whether the unit will fit. As a rule of thumb, the pool booster should be able to accommodate a 5.6cz frame C-face motor. What's more, this versatile piece is well suited for both above-ground and in-ground swimming pools. And finally, at number 1, we have the Waterway Plastics 3810430-1 PDA. The Waterway Plastics 3810430-1 PDA is another well-received brand known for making high-quality single-speed booster pumps. Indeed, you can fit this unit with a Polaris or a Pentair Legend pressure side pool cleaner as long as it calls for a motor with a horsepower of 0.75. And if all the requirements are matched, then setting it up should be hassle-free. After all, along with this pool booster pump, you also receive a complete installation kit consisting of a pump stand, quick connectors, a long hose, and hose clamps. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!